Hello and welcome back students. अब हम करेंगे thermal properties of matter question 26 to question 30. Let's start. Question 26. A metal disk is heated to 600 degrees Celsius and then load into a beaker of water. एक beaker of water है और उसके अंदर एक 600 सेंटीग्रेड का metal disk डाल दी गई है. ठीक है ना? What happens to the mass of the metal disk and what happens to the mass of the water in the beaker? Acha, mass of the metal disk will not change because it is not changing any states nor is it evaporating. There is no way of the metal disk losing mass. Mass of the water in the beaker. जब एक 600 डिग्री सेल्सियस वाली मेटल डिस्क को अंदर डालोगे आप so the water will start to vaporize क्योंकि जब एक सिस्टम के अंदर एक वाटर के सिस्टम के अंदर ना एनर्जी इंट्रोड्यूस किया है the energy will distribute into the water and the particles will gain kinetic energy, and when the particles will gain kinetic energy they will have enough kinetic energy to escape the system, right? So the water in the beaker will reduce. They said in the beaker, so वो खत्म हो रहा है, कम हो रहा है, right? So it decreases. C is the right answer. What describes as the escape of more energetic molecules from the surface of a liquid? It is evaporation. अगर कोई surface हो, and evaporation is always taking place at the surface of the whatever the body of liquid is. It is always taking place at the surface. ठीक है ना? And more energetic molecules जो जिन molecules के पास enough kinetic energy होती है, they escape the liquid. So B is the right answer. Question 28. What happens when a solid is heated and expands? It expands and the volume is increased. When, for example, previously ये volume थी, then after the heating of the solid, the volume will increase, right? So the molecules do not change in size. This is right. The molecules do not change in size, and the spaces between molecules become larger. A is the right answer. Question 28. A right answer. ठीक है. B. Molecules expand on the spaces between the molecules. Molecules do not expand. The molecules expand and the spaces between the molecules become smaller. If they become smaller, the volume will decrease rather than increasing. The molecules expand and the spaces between the molecules do not change. Okay. Let's move on. Question 29. Equal masses of copper and water are heated to the same temperature. As they cool down, the copper and water lose some thermal energy. The temperature of the copper falls faster. Why? Because the specific heat capacity of copper is lower than that of water. So larger, smaller. Vice versa, अगर copper और water को एक साथ heat करें तो copper will heat up faster than water, right? Because water is a very bad conductor and the copper will like quickly gain energy and quickly lose energy because it has a smaller specific heat capacity. Acha, question 30. Some gas is trapped in a closed container. The gas is cooled and the volume of the container is kept constant. What happens to the Acha, when the gas is cooled, so the molecules or particles inside the container, उनकी energy कम होगी ना, right? Their energy will reduce, and when their energy reduces, that means कि the particles will slow down because the kinetic energy reduces, the particles will slow down. So that means they they move more slowly. Okay, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz and please subscribe.